Okay, so I'm challenging myself to vlog for 7 days straight. 7 days, 7 vlogs on this channel. Let's see if I can do it. So you probably must be wondering why daily vlogging, like, and what's the big deal of it? Like, people have been doing it for years. Casey did it.
I'm going to make a movie every day.
Mumbai ka Nikhil does it on a regular basis.
I'll see you tomorrow, 9:30 sharp.
There are so many tons of people who churn out videos every single day here on YouTube. So what's the whole deal of me doing it just for 7 days? The thing is that, like, I just want to challenge myself to do this because I take a real long time uploading a single video. General trajectory that I've seen about me uploading, it's like a week. Every week I have tried to upload one. Sometimes it even takes 2 or 3 weeks. It's kind of got into my system where it's okay, like, if I don't upload for a day or two, and automatically the video gets more delayed. So I just wanted to give that up and get myself working a little more harder. And the thing with daily vlogs is that you continuously keep yourself motivated to do more. And another major block for me would be the editing, where people would be like putting out vlogs from like 2-3 vlogs already in a week. Like, I would be still stuck on editing just one vlog. So I want to give that a little shake up and improve on that and try to edit quicker, faster and smarter. And saying that, the first vlog that we'll be doing today is about the art festival that is happening at Kala Ghoda right now. The art festival started on 2nd February and today being 4th, I thought it's a good time for me to check it out. Like, I haven't checked it out ever since the time I've been here in Mumbai. Like, that's almost all my life. But today I thought I'll go check this out and see how the whole festival is, and I get a chance to vlog this too. So at least the first day I have my thing covered of going out there, vlogging something and putting it out for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so we've reached Kala Ghoda over here at the art festival, and in case you're wondering why this place is called Kala Ghoda, here. The theme this year seems to be time. There are about 10 to 15 art installations, and primarily some of them are actually commercial, but the work done on them is quite amazing.
So we represent Toy Bank. This structure basically is made out of older cycles, and what it basically says, it shows our stages of growing up. So basically at Toy Bank, people can donate to us by money or by games, by books, anything. And we reach out to children. So currently our network is more than 40,000 kids all around India.
So these
and
children are the ones who have less privileges?
Yeah, less privileges.
विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल बैंक स्कूल से है। हम लोग का फुट मसाज, हेड मसाज और अपना बैक मसाज का स्टॉल है। हम बच्चे लोग को ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, खुद के मेहनत से वो कमाते हैं।
आपको कैसा लगेगा यहाँ पे?
ठीक लग रहा है।
पूरे दिन हो आप यहाँ पे?
अभी 4 बजे से।
all handmade. This is all crochet. This is right from Bihar, from Gaya.
I'm outside the festival premises, but here, as you can see, the art just keeps on continuing. There are these artists over here who have just put out stalls on their own and displaying their paintings and everything. I think more of this kind of stuff should be part of the festival, along with those art installations that just give so much more power and exposure to these artists. Is there a way people can connect with you?
They can see my artwork in Instagram. It's Ticket Arts.
Ticket Arts.
Ticket Arts is there. You can show that.
कहाँ से हो सर जी आप?
हाँ
कहाँ से हो?
बॉम्बे से जे से हूँ
जे से।
ये सब हम लोग पेट पूजा को बैठे हैं, सब गड़बड़ हो जाएगी।
लोग क्या करते हैं फिर ऐसे फोटो लेके?
प्रिंट करते हैं, बेचते हैं, दुबई कतर इधर उधर प्रिंट बिकता है उधर। और प्रिंट इतना अच्छा बिकता है, इतना अच्छा बनता है कि पेंटिंग फेल हो जाती है। उसमें औरतें भी शामिल है, फैमिली के। मैं पोज लेके बेचती हूँ, पसंद आएगा तो देंगे, बोला ठीक है ले लो तो कर गए का सब माल चला गया।
आपका नाम सर जी?
अब्दुल गनी।
अब्दुल
गनी गनी।
Thank you. So just finished with the art festival at Kala Ghoda. It's pretty nice. The festival is happening till this weekend. That is till the 10th. So if you want to come here, do come here. Like I suggest, come on the weekdays because the weekends are going to be pretty crowded. With that, the first day of the 7-day vlog challenge is over. Now for the editing bit. This is me, Naveen Shetty, and you're watching NotNewNaveen. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. See ya.
₹100 देना पड़ेगा।